This one is for my fellow Gen X people, or anybody who's a boomer or traditionalist who's still in the workplace, who came up in their career during the 70s, 80s, 90s. We were raised to be professional in the workplace, and that is such a hard thing to unlearn. But I was talking today, I'm at the Grit Summit, Grit with 2 T's, fantastic leadership summit, open to everybody. Check it out for next year. But I was delivering a session and I talked about this, that it is so hard to unlearn what was ingrained in us when we were younger. But one of the key things about sales and marketing today is overcoming the crisis of trust. You've probably heard me speak about it. And one of the ways to do that is we need to lose the dang professionalism. We need to stop being uber professional in how we talk, how we dress, how we meet people, all of those things, and just be human beings, because our culture has completely changed since the pandemic. So how can you unlearn the uber professionalism, bring it down a notch to meet the younger generations where they already are, and make it easier on ourselves to build trust with coworkers and with prospects?